reason for it is to replace 1234YF, and it's got a lot of benefits. It cools faster than YF, so there's a performance enhancement. It's also less expensive, so the market's kind of demanding, right, a reasonably priced refrigerant. Some of the other environmental kind of things that are interesting about 444A, it does not decompose into trifluoroacetic acid, TFA, so it only maybe 0 to 2%, where YF can be like 100% TFA. So that's a big concern, especially in Europe, if you follow the PFAS.
The PFAS, yes, exactly.
So that's really, those are some of the main, I guess, things about 444A. And then 456A, as I mentioned, it's really meant to be an intermediate, it's a direct replacement for 134A, and it extends the life of the 134A vehicles. It lowers the GWP by about 50%, still has all the same great performance of 134A, but again, it's going to be much more economical versus 134A with the phase down.
Right.
So those are the main. And then, we still manufacture 134A. We have a plant in...
your other product. So show me this was the other product right here.
Yep.
The 456A. This will be the 134 replacement.
Yep.
And
again, both of these are out in Europe commercially. You can buy them in Europe, but they're just pending SNAP here in the U.S.
And what's the little demo unit over there? Is that yours there?
Yeah, if you are around at 11 or 2 today, these gentlemen here are going to do a demo, and they're going to show you basically how to charge, remove YF and charge with 444A.
Is this the Italian made?
Yeah. That's the
Okay.
This is
all right. So you're gonna demo this later.
Yeah, we're gonna do so basically a retrofit. We're gonna retrofit the chillinator here.
Okay, so you're gonna
chillinator
change
is a simulated AC system, right?
All right, we'll come back on this, and I'll show you guys at 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
And he's gonna retrofit it over from YF refrigerant
YF to 444A.
to 444A. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right.